তো তুমি কি করো?
Sorry?
মানে তুমি কি করো, কি কাজ করো বা লেখাপড়া কি?
Like an introduction. Okay, so first of all, I am a 3D artist and 2D artist, and I also am a voice actor in multiple indie shows, and I have worked in media as an actress in TVC, OBC, and etc. in the past a few years ago for 3 years straight. So that's who I am. In the future, I want to be like a developer, like a game developer.
আচ্ছা, যেহেতু বললা যে তুমি মিডিয়াতে কাজ করো এবং টিভিসি ওবিসি থেকে ভয়েস আর্টিস্ট তুমি, তো রিসেন্টলি তুমি কোন টিভিসিতে কাজ করেছো বা কোন ওবিসিতে? এছাড়া ভয়েস আর্টিস্টদের তো ভয়েসের একটা ভ্যারিয়েশন থাকে, যদি আমাদেরকে একটু শোনাতা।
So, as for TVC and OVC and advertisement and dramas, I don't quite remember, but there was this one I acted on, which was called Separation, and I think I did it with Mushfiq Farhan. And for TVC, OVC, etc. advertisement, I actually don't remember any other than this one time I acted for Dano Milk and advertisement. And because I have my rights on my own body and it's my choice. I do not believe it is inappropriate to wear what I want to wear. I am aware that I am viral on social media because I do not care what other people would think of me as long as my family are next to me and support me of who I am and who I will become, because that is my path. I can wear whatever I want to wear no matter how bad it is, as long as it's legal, and I do not care what the internet has to say about it because I have my rights on my own body and it's my choice. I do not believe it is inappropriate to wear what I want to wear. I am aware that I am viral on social media and I do not give a single shit about the people and what they say about me.